back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to take these boring old t-shirts and making them into cute gym shirts for the gym. So I have a couple of old t-shirts that I actually grabbed from my husband's closet. So these were just some old t-shirts that he had there. So I'm going to go ahead and recycle them and see what I can do to make them look cute and wear them to the gym. So right now, this is the time where you want to go into your own closet, boyfriend's, brother's, anyone's closet, and just take some old t-shirts that they wouldn't mind you having, just to make them into cute shirts to wear to the gym. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Also, if you are new to my channel, I do upload videos every Sunday, so don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, and just so you do get notified every time I do upload a video. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and make these boring t-shirts into some cute tops to wear to the gym. Okay, so you want to go ahead and put your t-shirt on the floor or on a table and just kind of make sure it's all evenly spread apart. So we're going to go ahead and make this into a crop top. I'm gonna make mine this long. It's better to go long because you can always just keep cutting if you think it's too long. Rather, if it's short, you're not gonna be able to make it any longer. You don't need a measuring tape, but I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this fabric chalk and kind of line the shirt just so I can kind of cut straight, even though it's not that big of a deal if I don't. So we're just going to go ahead and cut right here straight across. So you'll go ahead and need a pair of scissors. And we have this. You can go ahead and leave it at that. But I'm going to go ahead and cut the neck right here because I do like it when it hangs right off my shoulder. And as you can see, it's not perfectly cut, but that's not that big of a deal. This is the first one. We're done with this one. I'll go ahead and show you guys what they look on, just so you guys can have a better idea of what they're going to look like and see if this is something you guys would want to do. And so this is the finished product. I went ahead and stretched this a little bit so it can hang off my shoulder, and then it would show your cute sports bra. I did cut 7 inches like I mentioned before, just so you guys have an idea on how cropped it would be. I am 5 foot tall. I am wearing high-waisted leggings. This is what I meant by cutting some off the neck right here, just so then it would do this effect and show your shoulders. And I don't know, I just think it adds this cute style to it. But this is the finished product for our first t-shirt. I almost forgot to show you guys the back. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that. And so this is what the back looks like. As you can see, it's a little bit loose from here, but then again, it's just showing your sports bra. Okay, so for our next t-shirt, we're gonna make our basic muscle t-shirt that I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with. Honestly, I'm not sure if it'll turn out good, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it and show you guys. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and measure 4 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut across right here. And like I said, you can go ahead and measure if you want, or you can just eyeball it. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the 4, and then I'm just going to basically cut right here. And if you don't have one of these, don't worry about it. You can just use a pencil or like a pen, something that's going to wash off when you wash it, or you could also do it inside out. We're just gonna go ahead and cut right here. I was thinking about maybe cutting it a little bit further down, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting it here, and then if I want to make it into a crop top, I can do that. Or, like I said, cut it longer and then just leave it full length. But I'm gonna go ahead and start here, and then we will adjust accordingly to whatever we prefer. Now that we went ahead and cut this, we are going to do the other side. So same thing on the other side. I went ahead and folded it just so I can kind of get the same thing. Like I said, it's not that big of a deal if it's not exactly the same, but we do kind of want to get it similar at least. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut. The bad thing about this, if I mess up, it's not something like I can redo to re-record, but whatever. So this is what we have so far. I'm going to go ahead and try it on and see if I want to make this into a crop. I did want to go ahead and show you guys what the t-shirt looks like. So we went ahead and measured 4 inches, and then we just went ahead and cut right here. But this is what it looks like. I do like wearing a bright sports bra just because it gives it a pop of color, especially when the t-shirt is gray. But nothing scandalous. You can just see your cute sports bra and you're still covered up if that's something you're concerned about. This t-shirt is long on me, like you guys can see. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and cut some of it off. I don't know if I'll make it into a crop top, but I'm going to cut this much just because it is really long on me. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it looked like. So you guys might want to leave it like this, or you might want to go ahead and cut some of the length off. If there's any guys watching this, go ahead and hide your t-shirts because they're all going to get turned into cute shirts for the gym. And then this is the second one. Again, you can see my sports bra right here. Just a cute, simple t-shirt. And this one's not cropped. So I know not everyone likes cropped. So you can leave these as long or as short as you want. This is the nice thing about customizing it because you can do whatever you want to these. So the last one we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do a peekaboo back. So again, you just want to go ahead and grab your third shirt, lay it out on the floor, make sure it's evenly spread apart. So we're going to go ahead and start by folding the top, and we're going to go ahead and just cut right here. You want to go ahead and be able to do this. So we're going to go ahead and cut right across the neck right here. And be careful not to cut here. So once you have this cut off, we're just going to go ahead and do a V right here. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and mark. So I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. But I went ahead and cut off 7 inches of the length. So go ahead and do that. Cut however much you want. You want to make sure you just have this. I did not cut anything on this side. It is just this. So you want to go ahead and make sure this is correct. And then we are going to go about 2 inches. And then we're going to go at the very bottom. So for mine, I believe it's about 3 inches from the V-neck. At least as of right now, it's 3 inches on the top. And then my V-neck is going to go here. I was originally going to do 4 inches. But if you mess up, there's no fixing it. So I'd rather just go ahead and cut 2 inches. And if I notice I prefer 2 more inches, I can go ahead and cut extra. So we're gonna go ahead and just cut a V-neck right here. Okay, so when you're cutting, you want to make sure you're not cutting the inseam right here. You want to be really careful, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut around. So you want to have this, you don't want to cut too much into the seam because there's going to be nothing holding your shirt together. So you want to be very careful right here, and then we're just going to go straight down. So as you can see, I have this side cut off. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the other side. This is only 2 inches that we're cutting off. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on. And then if I notice I want to go a little bit wider, I'll go ahead and cut the 2 other inches. So this is what you should have. For a minute, I thought I did it to the front, so I kind of freaked out. But no, this is the back. So yeah, that's another thing. Make sure you're doing this to the back, not the front, because if you are doing it to the front, this is where your boobs would be. So yeah, so just make sure you have it on the right side. This is the final one. So I know I had gone back and cut a little bit more. I feel like I shouldn't have done that. But I hope you guys are ready to see the back. This is the back. So as you can see, I feel like I did leave it really close, so I feel like this could rip. But if it does, I can just make a little knot, and I feel like it would still look cute. So maybe don't cut as much. But I thought it looked really cute. I feel like it's very, like if you look at me from the front, you can't really be like, oh, that's just a plain shirt or whatever. But then boom, you see me from the back, and it's like, you can see your cute sports bra, and yeah. Well guys, that was it for my video. Let me know what t-shirt was your favorite one, and if you will be trying this, or where you're going to steal t-shirts from. But anyways, I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.